Hello, my friend. Well, I wanted to let you see our little dehydration center here. It's such a beautiful place that the Lord's provided us. We're so thankful. Big dehydrator right here. This does up to 200 pounds per cycle. And right now, we are doing remolacha, which is sugar beets. Can you see them in there? Oh, yeah. Those babies are dry and ready to go. Today we're going to be powderizing them, and of course we add all this stuff in to the mixes and the food supplies that we provide. And of course beets are great to regulate blood problems, and there's a lot of blood problems in Latin America, people needing regulatory opportunity in their blood, sugar diabetes, all of that. You know, eating the carbs and rice, they call it arroz con arroz. Rice with rice is the diet basically here in Panama, and so people need blood regulation. We also do, of course, the super greens that goes into all of our rice. We had a wonderful volunteer, God bless Ken and Kelly, who come every Saturday. They donate, and this Saturday they did all of the rice. Look at this. This is the rice and 3 dozen eggs. They've already cooked them, ready to go, and we will thaw and heat and throw all the vegetables in. Just to give you kind of an update, what does it look like around here? And we've got a little freezer right over here that we keep all of our, let's see, you can just see vegetables, frozen vegetables, potatoes, onions, peppers, carrots, all kinds of stuff. Plus, there's some more rice down here for the following week, ready to go. Got all of our ice for cooling the drinks for the kids when they come, and a whole lot more. So anyway, that's just what it looks like. We're always preparing, and always preparing to feed the poor, the widow, the orphan, those that are malnourished. Look behind me. What do you see? Here's the reason for the video. People ask, what do you need? I mean, what do you really need out here at Global Food Providers in Panama? Here's what we need. Panama is always breaking. Something breaks in Panama all the time. Especially, we use this stuff hard. This is our air conditioner. It's been sitting here like this for 9 months because a mouse got in, ate a few wires, took a chip out of this thing, and left the office with it. And the chip is not available anywhere. The air conditioner is toast. It has to be replaced. Well, 9 months ago, the service guy said, so what do you want to do? Do you want to you want me to leave this down? And I'm thinking, we'll have this thing, I'll get the money in a couple of weeks. I said, yeah, just leave it down. Don't worry about putting it back up. Doggone it, that was 9 months ago. About 800 bucks for that air conditioner to condition the air and keep it dry as we're dehydrating. That's just Panama, and it's just the way it is, you know. So we roll with it. Other things that we're in need of. We need a service repair on the dehydrator and 2 refrigerators, which need recharging in the Freon area. 6 months. 6 months we've been operating substandard. This little guy, this is our lifesaver. This is a 3,000 gram, 28,000 round per minute deal. It costs, I don't know, Amazon $3.30, something like that, and shipping to Panama. This thing's been repaired now 3 times. We use it and use it. It's our workhorse. We need another one really bad. The day this thing goes out, we're dead in the water. This little tiny thing is the interface between dehydrated leaves and vegetables to powder, where it has to go into the rice for those that are in need. The other thing here, we do rice cookers, and we typically need to light up 5 of them. We got 3 remaining right now, and those things are like 30 bucks a piece. I'm just showing you things that happen all the time while we're out here doing God's work, and no incomes, of course, from Panama. Panama farms don't make money, especially farms that give everything away. So that, and then we have one last great need, and that is right here in our commercial sink. We have been out of hot water. We need a $270 commercial hot water heater, and we've been out for now 7 months. Just cool water is all we've had. So those are just a few of the needs. If you're interested in helping, of course, all donations are tax deductible. Really, really appreciate your partnership. And some people like to just give monthly, you know, $5 a month, $10 a month, and that is so much needed and appreciated. But then there's others that say, you know what? Hey, I want to do a hot water heater. I want to do an air conditioner. I want to do a project. And if that happens to be you, you've seen a few of them here, you can just go out to globalfoodproviders.com, go out under donate, and you can make a donation and leave a caption, say, get that air conditioner going, get that hot water heater going, get this thing serviced, which it has to be serviced at some point, and we really do appreciate you. Listen, this whole thing operates on partnership. There's no secret magic little elf that brings us cash and keeps us going. It is partnership with great folks just like you, $5 a month, $10 a month, $25 a month, whatever, or a special project. Last year we had a whole group got together and raised enough money for a bobcat. We're able now to create our own plant foods and our own compost. Thank God for great folks on the other side, the side of plenty, who can help. So thank you. Thanks for putting up with me. This is just a little bit about what goes on around here, and this little unit right here puts it out, baby, and puts it out for the poor, and this can be replicated anywhere in the world. It's not rocket science, and it's not super expensive. And that's why we're here, is to educate, to help others to do the exact same thing, and then to be an impact in our communities around us in Panama. God bless you, my friends, and thank you for listening. Thanks for putting up with me this long. See you soon.